Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a discount code in Shopify. So it's very simple. First go to shopify.com and log into a store. So I'm just going to select this store, and once you're in your store, on the left side you can see various options. Click on discounts and you can click on create discount, and there are different types of discount. So I'm just going to click one and I'm just going to create a discount code. So 15 off, so that's my discount code, and 15% will be deducted from the price. Now you can just select minimum purchase requirements. So I'm just going to click 100. So you can just set active days as well. And yeah, so after doing all that, if you have product in your Shopify store, and you can just create this discount. But since I don't have any products, I cannot do that right now. So that's how you set up a discount code in Shopify. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.